your love. Lady B, kitchen hands are blessed by you. Bless her way with every meal her hands prepare. Let your favor rest everywhere. Oh Lord, bless Lady B. Let her kitchen shine for all to see. Grace and mercy pour like rain in her life. Remove all pain, multiply her joy and peace. Let her blessings never cease. Guide her steps with love and light. Strengthen her morning, noon and night. Every spice and every dish, Lord, fulfill her heart's deep wish. Bless Lady B. Let her kitchen shine for all to see. Grace and mercy pour like rain in her life. Remove all pain, multiply her joy and peace. Let her blessings never cease. Open doors no man can close. Lift her higher as she grows. Surround her with your mighty hand. Lady B, by faith she'll stand. Lady B, kitchen full of grace. God's glory shining on your face.
You guys, you can see how this is fried so beautifully. You can see everything has the same size, the same color, the same everything. So this is actually a class. Okay, if you want to have one-on-one class with me for puff like this, full explanation, full ingredients, everything you need to know step by step, is 30,000 Nigerian money. Okay, if you are hearing me, 30,000 Nigerian money. Send your money. How to make a masterpiece puff like this. You can use this for business if you want. Okay, so not everything we can share online, so we used to share, but sometimes you may understand it there, but you may not understand it. But this master class is where you will understand everything about each recipe. Okay, everything about each recipe. For puff is 30,000 naira Nigerian money. You send your money, I give you the full episode. Okay, when you make it like this, you can sell it anytime, any day. Eat it with your family, they will appreciate you. Okay, for donut, for my business donut, you guys that know about it, is 50k for masterpiece, 50,000 naira. Okay, you will have the masterpiece video. Everything you need to know is there. So don't be dulling, just send your money and get all this done for yourself. Snacks is one of the food you can easily eat anytime, any day. Both the kids, everyone love it, especially when you know how to prepare it in perfect way like this. Look at that. See how gorgeous and yummy this can. One-on-one class with Lady B. Okay, you are going to learn everything about puff in professional way like this. You can use this for business, anything you want. It will serve you. You can see that. See when you open inside, it's so gorgeous. With your 30,000 naira one-on-one class with me, your puff is going to be coming out great like this. Even if you want to use it for business, anything you want to use it for, you are going to get this outcome. Full explanation and full recipe. Okay, so for donut is 50,000 Nigerian money. Send your money and get your donut done. Even if you want to use it for business, everything about the donut is what I'm showing you. It's a masterpiece class. Okay, you really want it for yourself, for your family, just send your money. You got love for ya. I love you all. Anyway, it's yummy.
I love you. I love you.
If your body dey hot, just eat these two and thank me later. See you guys later. Bye.